guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to be playing Escape the Subway Obby. Go check out my new recent video of Escape. Well, it's not Escape, it's like Break-In. It's a story. And of course, my first die. I may have to pause the video and try and take it from there. Sorry for the background noise. My sister's building a house on Bloxburg. I'm just going to pause the video. Welcome back. We have finished. Our main entry is blocked off. Let's take the shortcut into the vents. Wait, can you actually sit on these? Oh, for a second it looks like you could. Alright, let's go in. Is there going to be a man? No. Let's jump over these. Oh, and of course our first die on the stage. Alrighty, let's continue. Ay. I'm really bad at obbies. That's why I don't really play Tower of Hell, Climb Time, or Trenches Tower. Because I'm a noob at these games. I'm gonna pause the video once I get used to it. Oh, I'm pretty used to it now, and I guess I did not pause the video. Alright, we're on our next stage. Let's hop into this vent. This way. I feel like that way has good luck. Keep going. I always have good luck with these vents. Oh, hello. There we go. I'm pretty sure we escaped. Wow. That fan looks strong. Well, we did not survive that. Let's just hop on over here. Let's get in there. Oh, okay. There we go. Into another vent, I'm guessing. There we go. Nope. I don't think we'll look at it. Jump. The subway tunnel entrance is blocked off by zombies. Take this tunnel to the right. Let's see. Please, I don't know. I think we dug into an ancient temple. Watch out for traps along the way. Sorry, girl. I think I killed her. I did. We have to be very... talk about being very careful, girl, huh? Take the right way, not the wrong way. I did it. Sucker. Sorry for the background sound of my dog. He is in our room crying. Honey, go back downstairs. It's too hot for you. This looks hard. Let's try and figure this out. Right. There we go. We're getting used to this. Oh, that was pretty easy. Oh, hello. She didn't make it. That was pretty... Tucker! Hey. Alright. Almost there, and then with water. Okay, lava. Can you like jump on? Oh, it kills you right away. Okay, well, good thing they checked for that. Room full. Please wait 20 seconds for door to open. Great. Okay, the door has opened. Is it gonna close? Close? Yeah, close. Alright, let's go. This is not that hard. Alright. What was that? Alright. Gonna take a short break. Bye. Okay. So the doors are open again. My friend Cindy joined. Oh well. If you're seeing this, said hi. Sorry, I'm ahead. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's go in. Alright, I just said hi and told her I was recording for YouTube. Oh my. Okay. So we have to go in here. Do we jump on? Okay, I'm kind of... Alright, I have no idea what you're supposed to do here. Thinking you walk into the tunnel where the eye is. Let's try that. Okay, we're gonna try it. If not, then I have no idea. I'll figure it out. Apparently that didn't work. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I'm pretty sure I figured it out. You have to go into this guy's mouth. Yep. Didn't take too long for me to figure it out. Alright. Do we go down? Touch that. Alright, let's go. Wow. Okay, was that an Obby back there? Okay. I don't know if these things kill you, but they help you off. Is this like a spine? I mean, I don't see any bones. Alright. Is that his heart? His zombie heart? I guess so, it's beating. Do you like my head, everyone? So, not too hard. Oh, I must not make it. Hello, Queen Nikki. Is Cindy still on? Yes. Alright, jump. Oh, this is kind of like, oh, you touch this for speed. Man, you go very fast. This is just like Speedrun 4. Like, if you want me to play that game. I did not almost. Alright, I have to be like pretty slow. Here's his spine. Alright. Is that his heart? There's a lot of beating stuff in his body. Oops. Let's keep going up. Imagine having to do this in real life. I would be tired. Alright. Oops. If you guys are like, how does this girl not rage? I rage a lot, but I do not want to be annoying in videos like FGTV. My mom hates it when they scream. Ooh. I try not to be that YouTuber where they all just scream the whole time. Because I am that type of person, but I'm not that type of YouTuber, and I do not want to be that type of YouTuber. I mean, no one really watches my videos, so how will they hear? No one ever pays attention, but oh well. Almost done. I think we're, oh. Don't touch those. Trying not to, but oh well. Let's go up. That was like a little shortcut. Climb up all of these stairs. We're back to another green staircase. And we have finished. We've made it. Yes. That's our way out onto the train. On the left. Oh, I almost didn't make it. So we just... Oh, I think we have finished. Yes. Oh. Okay, there we go. I have finished. Oh, and she has 2. Congratulations. I didn't get that pass. There we go. Speed pad. Jump pad. Boing. Wow, that is... Oop. Look at all these other games. A rainbow path. How nice. Whee! A nice design. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below what other hobby I should play. And like. And don't forget to go follow me on Insta and TikTok. My user is the same thing as my YouTube channel. Rachel Find Me, no spaces. Love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.